Is Windows failing to load because of the WebDAV Helper Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin the walkthrough for WebDAV Helper Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the WebDAV Helper Library, the WebDAV Helper Library. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized WebDAV, web-distributed authoring and versioning, localized network data links, facilitating localized remote file access through the shell. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. If WebDAV Helper Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the WebDAV Helper Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone WebDAV Helper Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to WebDAV Helper Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for WebDAV Helper Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support